Welcome to Ziro. On this video, I'll show the items that you will find inside of your Ziro Kit box. First, you will see the quick start guide, which shows you how to build your very first robot right out of the box. Removing the first layer of foam, you will find the smart glove, which is one of the many ways of controlling your Ziro Kit. Now we'll remove the second layer of foam to reveal the Ziro Modules, which you'll use to build your robots and also other accessories like the wheels that can be attached to the modules instead of the hinges. Inside of the green bag, you will find construction blocks that, together with the Ziro jackets, can be used to build the structure of your robot. To charge your Ziro Kit, you can use the micro USB cable for the glove and the charging tray for the modules, as shown here. Now these are all the items that you're gonna find inside of your Ziro Kit box.